This is Amanda with West Plains United Country, and I'm here at my new listing in Caulfield, Missouri. Come take a look. This property is also unique in the fact that it offers a separate building that is complete with water and electric and currently being used as a beauty shop. This is the additional building on the property that is currently being used for a beauty shop. This building offers a lot of unique possibilities and opportunities for the new buyer. For information on this listing or any other listings in the area, just give me a call at 417-255-3498, or you can contact our office at 417-256-1000. And to view listings, you can view them at amanda.westplainsuc.com. Thank you.